Tinky Winky!
Gypsy! La la! Oh no! Okay. Oh no! Hello, we're into Rebecca. Come and see.
Rebecca's dog.
This is my mom, and this is her dog Jake.
Hello.
This is my dad, and this is his dog Troy.
Hello.
And this is my dog Trixie.
They're putting up an obstacle course for the dogs. Dogs love to play.
Troy, come.
Troy's very good at doing tricks.
Goodbye, bye, Jake, come. Goodbye, Jake, come. Goodbye.
Trixie learning how to do tricks.
Trixie! Good. Trixie, what's this? Wait, what's this?
Trixie's only young.
She loves to play.
Loves to play.
Trixie, set. Set. Trixie is learning to jump through the hoop. Yeah.
This is Joy's favorite trick. Through the hoop. The big hoop.
Roo.
Smaller hoop. Dogs love to play all the time.
Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.